Alright, I'm Preston Smith. This is the Bussalo. It's a 2001 International. The engine is a T444E, if that makes any sense to anybody. We've got a 22-inch roof lift. We've been in here since May of 2018. So, come on in.
And you got your batteries and solar back in here?
Yeah, so we've just switched all of our battery bank up to the front. It used to be in the back, so we're still transitioning it up to the front.
Right.
Just so it's closer to the front batteries and easier to get to the solar panels and stuff. So this is it. I mean, this is our living room. We've got a table that folds down. This couch is a futon. This is couch number 2. I built the first couch and it was not very comfortable, so we got this guy. It's a little bit better. Yep. And then we've got the swing. And this is our kitchen. We've got a full-size fridge, which is probably not going to be the case much longer. We think we're going to switch out to a Dometic chest fridge. So
right.
We've had lots of people convince us that they're a good way to go. Then we've also got the Berkey water filter, which we love. It's been awesome to have that thing. Got a cooktop, we've got an oven. This is a wall oven that we put in. It's the only thing that would fit in here because our countertops aren't standard depth. They're 3 inches shorter, so nothing fit. But my wife wanted an oven, so we got an oven. And then there's always stuff that's not completely finished, so we don't have finished the lazy Susan and things like that. So then if you come back here,
I feel trapped.
you're trapped.
Here, I'll sneak past
Go
you.
get the key
Sorry.
This is the living space. So we've got our bathroom, a very small 4-foot by 4-foot bathroom with a nature's head composting toilet, and a squatty potty I built mostly to cover up. We routed the urine outside to a 30-gallon tank underneath because I hated changing that thing out with 5 people. Fills up fast. And then this is probably the least finished part of the bus, but it works. I mean, you can shower. The hot water heater works great. Sink works great.
Yep.
It just doesn't look very finished. And then this is our loft. This is the kids' room. Our 2 girls sleep up here, and then my wife and I and the baby sleep in here.
And she's getting ready for renovations.
Yeah, she's always measuring everything for me, making sure it's square.
Future engineer.
It's not square. Anyway. But yeah, it's been fun. I mean, so many iterations. We had to change the stairs so our bed would fit the right way, and our power used to be all back there, and I moved it recently, so we've got all the wires hanging down. But we don't have much of a garage like some people do, but we have storage under our bed quite a bit.
Sure.
Since we've got such a high chassis, I've built storage in underneath, mostly just cabinets that I put underneath and strap them on.
Right.
So. There's the bus. We do have a bathroom door. We just built it.
Oh, very nice.
Out of our old couch. Repurposing.
Have you got a way to latch it so when you're driving it's not...
We use a bungee cord.
Yeah.
So we attach it to the hot water heater. You know, classy. So the best way to get a hold of us is probably through our Instagram. It's the Hey Moon Club on Instagram. We don't have a YouTube channel. We do have a YouTube channel. It's the same name. We never use it though. And that's probably the best way to get a hold of us. We like to post on there. We're big photo people, so we take lots of photos.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig. And join us again next Saturday for another episode.